Hi everyone, my name is Anna Morwin. Welcome on my channel. Today I would like to show you how to knit two-color or corrugated ribbon. This ribbon is more dense and it's more firm than usual ribbon, and that's why it's not so elastic. But it still could be used as such accessories, for example, as hat, as you can see it here. I think it looks quite pretty, and that is how it looks from the wrong side. So how we are doing this? Maybe that what I'm showing is not very canonical, but I find it quite convenient for myself, but it's your choice. So I knitted stitches with elastic cast on. The link is above. I cast on stitches with one color, and I will knit ribbon 1 on 1. Now there is a question which color will be used for knitted stitches and which color will be used for purl stitches. So to make our fabric pretty, you see, there is no color blips. It's all neat, it's all straight. To avoid any unwanted color mixes, we will purl with the color of our cast on stitches, and we will knit with the different color. Let's call it contrast color, for example. So I place, as long as I'm continental knitter, so I will hold those two threads in my left hand. And it's very convenient to have the color of the purl stitches on the left. So first stitch, and then we just slip it over and we make purl stitch. Yeah, and let's go knit, purl, knit, purl, knit, purl. And in this manner we'll continue in round by round, over and over again.